ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Good morning. May nagpupukpuk sa kapitbahay namin. Today is Monday. Long weekend today. Kasi kahapon, di ba, Australia Day. So, still holiday. And nabanggit ko ata sa aking live na mag-ship ako today. Ngayong Monday. Nakalimutan ko, long weekend pala. Naglagay pala ako ng yung aqua cream ni V Cosmetics. Para naman magka kulay ang ating labi. And magtali lang tayo. Kasi today, maglilinis ako ng ref. Tapos si Jan, doon sila ni Kuya, yung boys, doon sila sa caravan natulog. Well, si Jan lang sa caravan, tapos yung boys at yung friends nila doon sa labas ng caravan. Kasi di ba nakita niyo, mayroon sila doon na swag. And si Jan ngayon, nililinis niya na yung caravan kasi ilalagay niya na yun sa shed. Kasi tapos na ang holiday. Back to school na yung mga bata next week, Wednesday. Kaya ako, lilinisin ko na yung ref. Kasi bukas mag-grocery ako para sa kanilang mga baon. So, ready ko na yung ref. And si Holly naglalaro dun sa gaming room ng boys. So, yeah. Huwag na muna ako mag-bis. Ito na lang PJs yung ating ipanglinis sa ref. Gamitin ba na, kasi mamaya ako maliligo din naman tayo. So, ito labahan na to after natin hubarin. And ito hopefully kunin ni Jan yung container ba para maligpit ko ng ating mga Christmas decor. Ako na lang ata ang mayroong Christmas decor. Mag-February na next week. Salay natin yung ilaw. Ay, mali. And kahapon, di ba pumunta ako kami ni Holly sa Coles. Di ko lang kung napakita ko to sa inyo. Bumili ako ng pang brush siya, sa sapatos nila. Ito yung shoe and boot polish. Black yung kinuha ko kasi ipapolish ko yung sapatos ni Holly. Yung boys, hindi nila masyadong ginamit yung leather shoes nila. Kasi parang nakalusot sila dun sa kanilang si Kuya pala, sinusuot niya pa rin yung kanyang leather shoes, yung pang school. Si Kuya, nakalusot siya na pwede niyang suotin yung black na, yung pang, niya ba, yung pang sports niya, yung tennis, yun, pang sports. So, yun, kaya si Kuya, okay pa yung sapatos. Sak, okay naman, kasi sak maingat yun sa gamit. Si Holly, yung sapatos niya. Ito pa. Ayan, so ito pa yung aking gagawin today. Ipapolish ko yan. Kasi tingnan nyo. Diba? So, yan. Yan yung speaking. Dito na sila. Dito na si Sak. Ayan, dala niya yung mga gamit ni Holly. Ay, and ayan na si Kuya, mga more labahan. Done camping, Kuya? Are you going to Mitch? No. No? Why?
He's not allowed to.
Oh, I thought you were going to go camping there.
Yeah, we're finished.
Oh, they're finished.
I've got to get all the clothes off the line, Tyro.
Hi, good morning. So they're not camping now. So what are they gonna do to the fish?
I'll use it for both.
Oh, for bait.
Yeah. Oh, which one?
The
Oh, they cut it all up. It's in the fridge. It's all in pieces like this. Cook it and try it.
So why they're not gonna camping now?
I don't know.
Ang plano that magka-camping sila. Han, I need my my container for my Christmas decor, please.
Can't do it.
Why?
I'm flat out. I'm doing everything else.
Well, you
No
can.
one's helping. Done the whole lot myself.
Well, ask your boys.
I've got to go get the boat. It's hot.
Hon, I need it, honey.
I can't. I've got to go get the boat, then I've got to go get the caravan. Like, you know.
Yeah, when you put your caravan, when you come home, bring it. So I can take it off. Pagod na daw siya. Kasi walang tumutulong sa kanya. Yung boys, hindi raw siya tinutulong. Boys, why you're not helping Daddy?
I was.
Daddy said no, you didn't.
Yes.
Okay, get the
Everything's done.
clothes.
Yeah, but I've done everything here.
Yeah. So, si Kuya, kukunin niya yung mga sinampay.
Outside.
Andito na, magulo na naman yung aming bahay. Good morning. Say good morning to my vlog.
Morning.
Good morning. Kamusta ang ating guys, camera? Okay lang ba? Ayan, kitang-kita yung ating lip tint. Ah, hindi siya lip tint. Aquamarine. Aqua cream. Aqua cream. What are you doing? Hala, oh no, chocolate. No chocolate. So, mamaya itong ko, maglinis ko na ako ng ng
What's
fridge.
going in there for throw away?
Okay. La 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 la. Ah, may salad ako. Ang kainin ko today is salad. And may barbecue pa tayo. Ito yung ginawa ko to. Hindi ako nag-vlog ata nun. Nag-homemade ako. Sausage rolls. Tapos ito yung pancit. Hindi na to pwede. So, linisin ko muna to guys. Balikan ko kayo. Kasi magpo-focus tayo sa paglilinis ng ref. La la la. Ito wala na. Ano to? Apple juice. Ayan pala si Sak. Nilalagyan niya na ng mga subjects yung kanyang books. And si Kuya tsaka si Jan babalik sa shed. Doon sa bay. Aray. Para tapusin yung kanilang ginagawa doon. Yung paglinis ng caravan. See you, yeah. Bye. Ayan siya. And ako, nagpapatugtog ako kanina yung wish. Ano ba yun? Wait lang. Ayan siya. Do I have to buy you cover, Sag? Bibili pa ako ng cover. Tomorrow, we're gonna do grocery and buy the cover, okay? So we have to wake up early tomorrow. And you, Baba, did you clean your bedroom?
Mom, there's a spider on the Stanley.
Where?
It's a little one.
A little one.
Because I killed it.
Si Holly, gagawin ko rin yung kanya. So, ang dami kong gagawin. Pero ang unahin ko muna yung ref kasi nga. Nag-grocery ako bukas. Research lang ako yung
No, I got another wobbly tooth.
wobbly tooth. Oh, the front one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. But the other one's growing now, Baba.
Mm-hmm.
Ayan. 2024. Wish pala. Wished 107.5. So, dito. Patugtog tayo. Ito. Best song covers. 8 million views. Okay.
Mom, I gotta write all my stuff in the book.
Yeah.
And glue.
Yeah, we're gonna glue that. Maybe later tonight.
No, do not.
Glue 'em.
Yeah, she's gonna glue it.
Tape.
Yeah. Oops.
No, that's it. Off the Cuisac.
Alright.
Rubber bands.
Yes, I do. In my live selling. Yeah. Tapos yun ang lagyan ng subject yung kanyang mga notebooks. And tinanggal niya to kasi ayaw niya tong pencil case niya. Where's your pencil case? The Rip Curl.
It's not Rip Curl.
What was it?
I don't know.
Quicksilver?
I don't know. I need a new one.
I don't know you need you one. You have your...
I don't have one.
Where is it? Where did you put it?
I don't know.
So I have to buy. No, you can use this one. Ang arte niya. Ayaw niya itong gamit. Dito ko na lang ilagay yung lashes ko. Yung cluster lashes ko. Rubber bands. Okay, wait. Kuha ko siya. Here. Kuha ko siyang rubber band. Here. Okay, no?
Can I just put my pencil in here, Mom?
Here. Is this yours, right? Yeah, that's alright. Here you go, Holly. I have to put rubber bands for this one, though, Holly.
Yeah, I have to. This is so many spiders. Then Mom put them in plastic bags.
Why plastic bags?
Because they're spares.
Ah, okay.
Because after you have any spares? Yeah,
What?
when you have
What
any
spares,
no,
Holly?
put it in plastic spare.
No, that's.
No, I can put this one
You
in the
can get
drawers.
spares at school.
No, this one.
They're mine.
No, this is not. Look, this is Holly. I got it from her bag. That's yours. This one. You all have
Mom,
one.
where's it all? Oh, thanks.
What?
I found one thing. There you go.
Do you need games in that, Holly?
Everyone does, but
Ito yung before.
Now's the perfect time to step into a brand new Mazda with incredible plate clearance bonuses available across selected 2024 models. Visit your local
Mag-collagen muna pala tayo, guys. Ayan yung ating collagen. Isa sa iniinom kong collagen. Ito yung Sip2 Glow. Sarap nito. Passion fruit ang flavor niya. Minsan nilalagay ko siya sa freezer. Masarap siya, guys, pag nag-icy-icy. Okay. Nilabas ko na yung mga ito. Expired na to. Yan, dalawa. So, tapos na ang paglilingkod niya sa amin. So, paglilingkod, ito. Yeah? That one. And meron akong ginawang.
Did we get milk?
Oh no, that milk is expired. Meron akong ginawa yung date. Yung pang snack-snack na may pistachio. Tapos, nagmelt ako na dark chocolate. Ayan. Diba? Healthy-healthyhan lang, kunwari.
Can I have some Doritos?
Oh no, it's too early for Doritos, Baba. Later, you're gonna bake your banana bread.
Oh, yay!
Yeah.
You don't need to help me. I got this.
Yeah.
I'm good at it.
This
And
one,
Brooke wanted some.
ito yung sauce na,
Ano pa?
yung cold salad. Tingnan ko lang yung expiration date niya. Okay pa siya.
And Brooke said I had to make one.
Oh, si Brooke. Gustong-gusto niya yung banana bread ni Holly. Nag-request nga yun ng isang araw. Luto ka ho. Uy, alam niyo ba, guys? Expired na ba ito? Hindi ko pa ito natatry. Tingnan ko nga. Yung ating caviar. Wala na. Nasaan ba yung niya? Expiration date. Wala akong makita. Made in Germany. 2025 pa. January, February, March, April. May 30, 2026. Ay! 2026. Next year pa. So, okay pa siya dito. Ay, hindi ko pa siya nakakain. Isang taon nang nakalipas. And, gumagawa ko ng sarili kong dressing. Ito yung aking, simple lang to guys. Lemon, olive oil, Dijon mustard, tapos herbs. Ayan, sinishake-shake ko lang yung pag gusto ko siyang gamitin. Okay pa tong mga to. Ito yung binigay sa akin ng aking kapitbahay na Filipina. Cream cheese. Kailangan ko itong gamitin. Kasi mag-expire siya sa July 29. July 29. Buksan ko lang para makita ko kung ano ang itsura niya. Oh my God, ang laki. Oh my God. Akala ko by ano siya, by pack. Ay, ganito pala siya. Ayan, isang bloke may cheese. Akala ko katulad nito na kukuha na ako ng per piece. Buti na lang binuksan ko. So, anong gagawin ko dito? Magpasta tayo. May bacon ba ako? Okay. Sa July 25 ang expiration niya. Okay. July. Ay, next year pa. Ha? Wait. January pa lang. January pa lang. Ah, okay. Kala ko next month na. Ano ba yan? Gutom yan. So, paano ko siya? Kasi hindi ko na ito magagamit ng isang gamitan. So, ilagay ko siguro siya sa ano, sa ziplock, no? Kasi tingnan nyo, isang bloke siya, oh. May ano siya, mayroon siya yung parang guide kung saan ka magkakat. Ayun, mayroon naman siyang guide dyan. So, ang dami nito, ha? For deep, pwede siya. Savories. Ay, nakalagay dyan. Okay, thank you. Kapitbahay. Nandiyan lang, yung walking distance lang siya. Siguro mga, hindi naman, mga 3 minutes drive or 2 minutes drive. Pwede i-walk. Pero ang init mag-walking. Ibalik ko siya sa box. Akala ko, gaganituin ko sana siya. Sabi ko, baka per piece. Hindi pala. Buti na binuksan ko. Balik natin to dito. And so, ayan yung mga natanggal ko. Ayan. And meron sa garbage. Ito. Yung mga ano yan, iba chocolates, tapos ibang cheese, and tofu, and wraps. And yung gamit ni Sak. Yung mga papel niya. Ito pala yung binili ko kahapon na grapes. Ugasan na natin. Lagyan ko siya ng baking soda at saka vinegar. Dito si John. You're done? Ayan, napasok na nila sa shed, sa malaking shed yung caravan. Did you get the container, son? For my, for my Christmas trees. Hindi pa rin. Paano na yung ating mga Christmas decor dito? And eto na yung ating grapes. Pinapatulo ko lang siya. Tapos lalagay ko siya sa container mamaya. And si Kuya may dala from caravan. Yung sa freezer tsaka fridge to. Okay, yun. More kalat. More put away. Dami pa naming chocolate, guys. Oh. Okay, ayusin ko na to. Ito yung frozen na pandesal. Tapos meron pa ako dito yung creme fraiche. Si Jan magkakat ng lawn. And so far, ito yung itsura ng ref natin. Ayan yung salad na ginawa ko kahapon. And andyan yung sauce ng barbecue. If i-freezer ko siya, kasi may freezer akong laman, yung nasa skewers. So, i-freezer natin yan para may sauce ako pag inihaw ulit yun. And empty. Dito yung mga veggies na okay pa, tsaka may fruits. Ayan. So, nalinis ko na yan. And ito. Then, dito sa my door. So, yeah. Lalagyan na lang natin siya ng laman. And yung grapes mamaya ilalagay ko dyan. Naglalaba ako. Si Sak ang magsasampay or si Kuya or magtulungan sila. Kasi ang ganda ng ang ganda ng sikat ng araw. Ang ganda magpatuyo ng mga nilabhan. So, yun. And later, gagawin namin to ni Holly. Lalagyan namin to ng name ng mga subjects niya. Tapos, ayan, naayos niya na yung kanyang pencil case. Yeah. So, linisin ko lang yung aking kalat dito sa kusina. Tapos, yung dinala ni Kuya, i-put away natin. Ito pala. Sampay na silang dalawa. Close the door. Hurry up. The flies. Question ng barbecue. You want rice? Oh no, because we're gonna have spaghetti. Just have a snack. Nag-ano na yan? Nag-pizza.
Huh? What was the pizza?
Yeah, you already had pizza. Wait, heat it up, yeah. Oh my god.
Touch, oh my back, keep it real with me. Though
10:47 na. And katapos ko lang maglinis. Pati doon sa kusina, pinunasan ko lahat ng mga cabinets. And natanggal ko na dito yung Christmas decor natin. Kasi yung, yung container niya, nandito sa aking live selling. So, natanggal ko na yung dito. Ayan, kasi yung box na yan, nakapatong doon. Kaya, naligpit natin. Pati yung dito. And si Kuya nakakain ng 2 barbecue. Pati dyan. So, yung Christmas tree na lang talaga, at saka yung ibang decor natin sa Christmas tree, ang tatanggalin. And si Jan pumunta dun sa sa shed para kunin yung container ng ating mga ornaments. Para matanggal ko na siya today. Ayan, para matanggal na natin. And i-charge ko yung vacuum para mamaya pag natanggal to, maano natin to, ma-vacuum din. So, yeah. And this girl, she's waiting for
To bake banana bread.
to bake banana bread kasi meron siyang banana pa dyan na kailangan niyang i-bake. Natanggal ko na yun sa sa balat. Natanggal ko na. Eh, nung isang araw gumawa ko ng pulburon, guys, na mayroong rice bubbles. Gustong-gusto ni Holly. Baba! Remember this? The pulburon? Sabi niya, Baba, where are you? What did you say about my pulburon?
It tastes like
The one,
circle thing that like melts in your mouth.
oo. Kalasa niya yung yung sabi kong masarap na pulburon, yung House of Pulveron. Ayan. So dito ko linagay kasi hindi ko makita yung mayroon ako guys na pang mold. Matagal na yun sa akin pero hindi ko alam kung saan ko nilagay. No, you got masher there.
Welcome back to All Things Holly. We're making banana bread. Oh, that's good. It's nice and soft. It's gonna be easier to smash up, guys. Oopsies. Well, that's a part of baking, guys. Making a whole mistake. So we didn't have enough cake flour, so the rest is gonna be plain flour. Just a little bit more. Perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna add it into the big bowl. So we're also going to use another half of plain flour. So we can just scoop this into here. Okay, let's add it. Okay, so now we're going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, and we're also going to use half a teaspoon of baking soda. This side? No, this side. Okay, so now we're going to add 1 full teaspoon of salt. We're going to be using this one, but we're going to add a little bit. Okay, so we're going to add the wet ingredients now. We're going to use 1 1/3 cup of oil, but you can use vegetable oil, and we're using rice bran oil, but we ran out of vegetable oil, but you can use that, but we just ran out. So let's add the oil. Add that. I'm making a favourite. Okay, so now we're going to add 1 cup of brown sugar, and we're going to use the big pink one. I'm going to use the spoon. I love baking, guys. Since I was little, I loved it. Probably when I started when I was 3 or 4. Do you remember, Mama?
Yeah.
It's a lot, guys, but we need it. My mum and dad love my banana bread, don't you, Dad? Do we have enough? I'm going to use the whole thing, Mum, so I have to remind me to get brown sugar too. What are you doing? This is the last scoop we can get, guys. It's fine. It's in. Oh, the stone here. Just gonna pour it in. Okay, that should be good. Okay, so we're done with the brown sugar and it's all finished. Whoa, it's cool. So now we're gonna add 2 eggs. My favorite big cracking eggs. My hands are a little slippery, but that's okay. Okay, 1 egg done. I'll just put that there. And guys, oh, and the oven is already preheating, so that's good, guys. We're gonna add half a cup of cream, fresh or sour cream. And guys, this is our secret to add because this is the best since my mum got it. Oopsies. And so we're gonna grab the spoon. Let's add it in. And guys, this is so good. You don't know how good this is. Oh. Not yet. Not yet. Sorry about the noise, that's just not coming off. Okay. And just a little bit more. Oh, come on. Okay, there we go. So now it's done. It's just so good. Okay. So now we're gonna mix it into the wet ingredients. You don't want to put it too far. What else? It will splatter. Now it's this again. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra. I'm gonna use this one. Just smells so good, guys. Perfect. Ooh, get the extra taste. Okay. The whisk, guys, with all the wet ingredients stuff. Oh, guys, my banana bread is just the best, guys. Oh, guys, it got all stuck. It's fine. So now we're done mixing, guys. Okay, so now we're gonna add the banana smashed into the wet ingredients. This is how it's going to form with all these ingredients. Alright, see yo. Now let's mix again. Oh, looks like gravy. Guys, it's extra good with the cream. I'm just telling you. And now it should be like, you should not want the chunks in there. It's fine if there's a little bit, but not when it's too much, guys. Make sure the banana bread is a banana smashed a little bit, not that chunky, but it can be a little bit. So now it's all mixed, so now we're going to pour the wet ingredient into the dry ingredients. Oh, come on, it's like a waterfall. So now we're going to add the paper, baking paper into here so it won't stick. Stay down there. So sticky. That should be good. When I pour it in, will stay. So now, okay, so now, stay down there. Now, what I was trying to say, we're going to pour it in. Oh, no. Pour it in. You better stay down when I pour it. So we're just going to tap it. So now we're going to put it in the oven for 35 to 45 minutes. It just depends on the oven because we have different ovens. So let's put it in. But first, don't do this. I was just joking. Do it with parents' permission. So now we're going to put it in the oven to 35 to 45 minutes. It depends because we have different ovens. So let's put this in the oven. But before we put it in the oven, make sure you have parents behind, in front of you. Well, beside you. Okay. Let's go.
Go, Daddy.
Daddy, Dad, we're going to bake it now. It's baking now, guys, for 45 minutes. I'm just licking the cream fish or sour cream.
Baka lilinis ko lang ng kusina. Ayan na po, after mag-baking ni Holly. But bago ko yan linisin, magpapakulo muna ako ng tubig para sa ating pasta kasi anong oras na? Mag-aalas 5 na. So, pakuluan ko muna yung pasta natin. Sobrang kumukulo na yung ating tubig. Nilagyan ko na siya ng oil, olive oil, avocado oil, at saka maraming asin. Bumblebee. Iyan yung tiniktok ni Holly, Bumblebee. Ako na talaga naka-PJs pa, 5:10 na ng hapon. Maghapon na ako dito sa kusina, guys. Dito na talaga ako naghapon, nahapunan. Okay, linisin ko yung kalat doon ni Holly. Yan. And eto, nilalagay ko to sa oven namin. Ngayon, nagbe-bake tayo kaya nilabas ko. So, luto na yung ating pasta. Noodles pa lang. And dinifrost ko yung ating meats. So, mag-iwa ako ng garlic bawang. Wala akong bell pepper.
Does document wallet A for...
Remember the little booklet? The little booklet?
Yeah,
the little...
Nemo.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
So, ginagawa niya na rin yung kanyang notebook. Dinidikit niya na yung mga
So what's
subjects.
the name?
The little wallet.
Yeah, I know that one.
Yeah. Name only. See? Name only. Just put your name. So,
I
cover
put
it.
my name on all the books, so...
Okay. It's up to you. Okay, magkiwa ko ng bawang sibuyas. Tinutulungan siya niya ng daddy niya. Lumabas lang. Ayan, pinatulo na ng sibuyas yung aking mga luha ulit. Nilagay ko na dito yung sibuyas. Susutin natin. Wala akong bell pepper. Or, yeah. Kasi hindi pa tayo nakapag-gross. Hindi ako kumuha kahapon. So, simpleng spaghetti lang to. And wala rin tayong hotdog. Well, may hotdog ako, pero ayaw kasi hindi dyan na may hotdog. Yung mga bata gusto. Pero, huwag na lang. Okay lang naman kahit walang hotdog. Masarap. Masarap pa naman siya. Yung ating meat. Yung homegrown natin na friend ni Jan. Yung kasama pa to dun sa hinati nilang baka. Baka. No? Why? She knows what she's doing.
If you want to do it on the edges, that's
It's
no
alright,
good.
it's alright.
Stick.
She done it last time. O, tinatawag na tayo ng banana bread, Baba. Your banana bread is ready. Okay na yung banana bread. Oops, wait lang. Bread. Ata na yung aking hot water. Ooh. Ayan na yung banana bread ni Holly Girl. Palamigin muna natin siya. Yeah, here.
Oh.
Yeah, we have to cool it down first. It's hot.
It doesn't look like the same before. Like, it looks a bit more crispy.
Yeah. Lapit na po, guys. Very simple spaghetti sauce.
Use free speech or time the nation reacts to
Luto na yung ating sauce. And si Jan busy doon maglagay ng name ni Holly sa kanyang supply for school. Envelope yata yung nilalagyan niya ng pangalan. Okay. So, ilagay ko na lang, tanggalin ko na yung bay leaves. Kasi ayaw nila to.
Is a common term for a young puffin and puffling. Come on, shuffle a little to the right. Give it a best. Yes. It's okay. It's closer. One flip over. 4,100. Two more counters to go in this category. Line her up again.
No hot dog because Daddy don't like hot dog. Yeah, the Filipino style.
next to the Visual 6.
Huh?
Reacts to 9 News Appalachia's exclusive vision.
So I'm cleaning that stuff up later. I'm hungry.
SA's big drive
Tell me when to stop.
plant wrapped up to protect our waters.
Oh, Saki.
And hear from the local father-son duo who smashed a dizzying world record. Emergency arrival is well to survive this special moment.
Dad, I'm cleaning my mess up after I eat because I can't wait to eat.
I get your plate, Baba.
Oh,
Please.
Mommy.
Sorry. This is Daddy.
Good, Mom.
Good.
Why do you add any?
Baba, careful with your clothes because that's white, okay?
Yeah. Why do you add any hot dogs?
Because Daddy don't like hot dogs. Kuya, is it enough?
Yeah, can we take that enough? You're a hungry boy.
You have to come back. You have to come back, please.
More. More, please. One more scoop. Yes, thank you. Can't wait to eat my mom's bed. The mom is like the best spaghetti.
Hala, may pepper. Ayun yung nakakagat yung malaking pepper. Hindi ko siya nadulog na maayos. May pa-ruler pa talaga siya. Kinain ko yung paminta. Naubo tuloy tayo. How is it, kids?
Good. Even better with. It's not.
What? With that hot dog.
Yeah.
You like with hot dog, Zach? Filipino
I like
hot dog.
without.
Filipino hot dog. Slow down, yeah. Why you didn't put the placemat? Bumalik na agad siya. Tell me when to stop, okay? Stop? A little bit more?
Can you have some night too, please?
Okay, yeah. Wait.
Yep. Thanks, Mom.
Welcome. Okay. Ito yung akin. Naglagay ako ng paminta. Dinamihan ko. And yung aking cream fresh. Naglagay din tayo. Masarap to, guys. Kahit i-dip nyo yung Doritos dito. Kahit anong chips. Ay, ang sarap. Best friend ko na yan. Pag hindi ka nag-diet, best friend mo to.
Mama.
Yeah? More? Diba? Mauubos na yung ating pasta, which is good.
I didn't get a single stain.
Yes, you did.
Yeah.
See?
That was from the banana mix.
Ayan.
Thank you, Mama.
So, ayan na lang yung natira sa ating pasta.
Give me a cup, please.
What's that? Are you giving it?
To Brock.
To Brock. Si Brock ang customer niya. Ayan. Bibigyan siya. And Daddy loves it.
That's mine. That's mine. That's yours.
This is mine. That crosses yours.
That's enough for now. I'll save some for tomorrow.
That's right.
Come on.
That's enough,
It'll
Baban.
taste better when it's...
Ang dami na nilang nakain dalawa. Sila lang dalawa. Tapos ito kay
No,
Brock.
that's enough.
It's
That's
my
what's
banana.
that.
Ano, not bad. Merong...
So
Alright.
I'll go fast, drop that off.
Alright. See, i-deliver niya na yung banana bread kay Brock.
Well,
Tell me if Brock likes it.
Ollie, drop the big bit.
Oh, did I?
Okay, maliligo na ang person, guys. Ito yung natirang spaghetti. Well done, Baba. Kahit kulang-kulang yung ating cake flour, na-push mo talagang i-mix siya sa regular flour. I know. Because you done well. Ayan yung pasta. Tira ng spaghetti natin, guys. Maliligo ng person.